The automotive industry has undergone a significant transformation over the past few decades, with new technologies and changing consumer preferences driving innovation and evolution. Looking to the future, it's clear that the automobile of tomorrow will be vastly different than the vehicles we drive today. One of the biggest trends shaping the future of automobiles is the rise of electric and hybrid vehicles. With concerns about climate change and air pollution, many consumers are turning to more sustainable modes of transportation, and automakers are responding by investing heavily in electric vehicle technology. In the coming years, we can expect to see more and more electric vehicles on the road, with longer battery ranges and faster charging times. Another trend that's shaping the future of automobiles is the rise of autonomous driving technology. Self-driving cars are no longer a thing of science fiction. They're already on the roads in some parts of the world, and they're poised to become more widespread in the coming years. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, making roads safer, reducing traffic congestion, and improving access to transportation for people who are unable to drive. Along with autonomous driving, we can also expect to see significant advancements in vehicle connectivity and communication technology. In the future, cars will be able to communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure, allowing for smoother traffic flow and more efficient routing. Cars will also be able to connect to the internet and other smart devices, offering a wealth of new features and capabilities. Another trend that's shaping the future of automobiles is the rise of shared mobility. As more and more people turn to ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft, the traditional model of car ownership is being challenged. In the future, we can expect to see more shared mobility options, including car-sharing services and even autonomous ride-sharing fleets. This could help reduce the number of cars on the road, while also providing more flexible and affordable transportation options. Finally, the future of automobiles will also be shaped by new materials and manufacturing processes. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum will become more common, allowing for vehicles that are lighter and more fuel efficient. 3D printing technology is also poised to revolutionize the manufacturing process, allowing automakers to create parts and components more quickly and efficiently. Overall, the future of automobiles promises to be a period of rapid change and innovation. From electric and autonomous vehicles to connected cars and shared mobility, the vehicles of tomorrow will be vastly different than those we drive today. While there are sure to be challenges along the way, the automotive industry is well positioned to lead the way towards a more sustainable, efficient, and connected future. The problem of traffic congestion is one that has plagued cities around the world for decades, with no easy solution in sight. One potential solution that's been proposed in recent years is the development of flying cars, vehicles that can take to the skies and bypass ground-level traffic entirely. While the idea of flying cars may sound like something out of science fiction, there are a number of companies working to bring this technology to market. The idea behind flying cars is that they would offer a new mode of transportation that's faster and more efficient than traditional cars, while also avoiding the congestion and delays that are common on the ground. In theory, this could help reduce traffic congestion in cities, freeing up space on the roads and reducing travel times for commuters. However, there are a number of challenges that must be overcome before flying cars can become a viable mode of transportation. One of the biggest challenges is safety. Flying cars must be able to navigate complex airspace, avoiding obstacles like buildings and other aircraft. They must also be able to safely land and take off in urban environments, which can be tricky due to the high density of buildings and other structures. Another challenge is regulatory approval. Flying cars will need to be certified by aviation authorities before they can be used by the public, and there are still many questions about how these vehicles will be regulated and controlled. Finally, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of flying cars. While these vehicles may be more efficient than traditional cars on a per-mile basis, they will also require a significant amount of energy to get off the ground, and there are concerns about the noise pollution that could be generated by fleets of flying cars operating over urban areas. Despite these challenges, there are a number of companies working to bring flying cars to market, including Uber and Airbus. While it's still too early to say whether flying cars will become a mainstream mode of transportation, it's clear that they have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and help address some of the pressing challenges facing our cities. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more experimentation with flying cars, and it's possible that they could one day become a common sight in our skies.